in the next 90 days, literally in the next 90 days, you could completely transform the way you speak, the way you sound, and of course, the way you speak from day-to-day life. Not just to improve, but actually to sound more confident, more like a native English speaker, and to have a real confidence when you're having conversation with other people, and you will know the language quite well. Hear the truth, most people spend many years struggling to speak English like a native English speaker. Why? Not because it's difficult, not because you don't have a clear roadmap, no, because they don't have a clear roadmap, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it takes, literally what it takes to become fluent in English in just 90 days. Just 90 days. If you can follow honestly this plan, you will start speaking English like a pro. And trust me, if you follow this properly, you watch this video and you follow these steps one by one, your English will not just be the same as you started. Implementation, and to be able to implement and to be able to apply all of these strategies, and hopefully you'll be able to become a confident, fluent English speaker. And in this video, what you're going to learn is step by step. First, I'm going to show you is step by step roadmap to improve your English speaking and to sound more confident. And the second thing, I'm going to be telling you about what to focus on each stage, so you don't waste your time. And you don't waste your time. So because I don't want you to waste your time every single day, every single month, every single year, and a lot of years to come. And what are the daily actions that actually build confidence and fluency? And the fourth, we're going to be talking about making sure that you stay away, making sure that you follow these simple steps to be able to find a place where everything clicks, okay? Because I believe that the problem here is most learners, and you are, a lot of things that are getting wrong, that you try to improve everything at once. Grammar, vocabulary, speaking, listening, reading, writing, a lot of these simple skills, they need time and they need a strategy, they need a roadmap, right? And they end up overwhelmed. You end up overwhelmed. But fluency doesn't come from doing everything once, it comes from doing the right things at the same time, at the right order, at the right time, okay? And that's exactly what this 90 days roadmap is all about. Because even whether that's you learning anything really, whether that's pronunciation, when you learn pronunciation, you have to learn sound by sound, right? No, you can't just learn today's sound, tomorrow's sound, tomorrow's sound, because it's all about learning one at a time, right? So that's where a lot of people lose their kind of strategies, systems, and it's quite important that we learn these systems. We learn how to create systems and plans at the same time. So we're going to break down these into 3 simple steps, okay? The 90-day roadmap, I'm going to break it down for you into simple phases, okay? 3 simple phases that you need to understand and you need to follow. First of all, 1 day to 30 day, this is the foundation. And from 31 to 60 days, that's activate your English. However, from 61 to 90, you need to speak with confidence. So, repeat again, from 1 day to day 30, that is building your foundation. And from day 31 to day 60, that is basically to be able to activate your English. However, from day 61 to 90, that is to be able to speak with confidence, right? So being able to speak with confidence is quite important as well. But well, each phase here, in these 3 phases, each phase has one clear goal. And if you can follow these ones step by step, you will feel real progress every single week, okay? Now, I would like you to be able to pay attention on this illustration and to be able to follow and to be able to implement and apply into your language learning journey, okay? Now, from day 1 to day 30, which is we mentioned that building foundation, in the first 30 days, your focus is quite simple. Input plus understanding. You need to train your brain to get used to English, right? But here's what to do daily. Here's what actually you need to do every single day. First of all, listen to English for at least 20 to 30 minutes, right? And watch content you enjoy, not just textbooks. Repeat key phrases out loud. Don't worry about speaking perfectly yet. Your job here is to understand more, to recognize patterns, and even to understand thinking in English, right? And this phase builds sort of like the base, the foundation for every single thing that you want to apply later, right? And from day 31 to day 60, you need to activate your English. What I mean by activation here, make sure that we move in the most important shift, which is the foundation, and activation here, we have to be understanding, which is using English, because you learn English to understand English, right? And this is where many learners get stuck, because they are afraid to speak, making a lot of mistakes, judging other people. If you're afraid of all of those, you will left behind. But in this phase, speaking becomes non-negotiable. It has to be non-negotiable. You have to do it. It doesn't really matter. People's opinions, don't care about it. Just practice. That's it. Even if it's by yourself, using AI, a lot of things from day-to-day life. Speak out loud every single day. Even if you are alone, that is definitely fine, because everyone starts somewhere, right? I would say you need to describe your day if you don't know what to talk about, and start with the short conversations, even if it's possible, right? Also continue listening, but now with a more attention. Notice how native speakers connect words, use natural phrases, even express ideas simply. That's quite important. This is where English is start to feel alive. This is where your English is start to begin to improve every single day, right? So I'd like you to do that, please, and to be able to follow those roadmaps which I've mentioned earlier. And now we're getting into the third phase. The third phase is basically from day 61 to day 90 to be able to speak like a pro. Know a lot of things, okay? Just to speak like a pro. Now it comes to the final phase, and this is confidence plus fluency. Because if you don't have that confidence, you won't be able to speak with confidence, right? So it's quite important, and even the fluency, because if you have confidence equals fluency, right? And that's quite important, because at this stage, your goal is not just to speak, but to smoothly and naturally speak with confidence, like a native, okay? But here, what's the focus in? You speak with a longer periods without stopping, and improve your pronunciation, rhythm. That's why the reason I told you to start with the foundation. That was the reason to start improving your pronunciation. React faster in conversations as well. Push yourself slightly outside of your comfort zone. Talk to people out there. People, doesn't really matter. Even if you don't know the person, making sure that you speak to that person, that is a bit of confidence out there, because this is where everything starts to connect. And you will notice something powerful. You are not translating anymore. You are just speaking like a pro. Well, I believe that this is the 90-day plan only that works if you stay consistent. Not perfect, okay? You just need to be consistent. Even 20 minutes to 30 minutes every single day is enough. And if you actually do it and you stay consistent, you will definitely be able to speak like a pro. Most people don't fail because they planned is kind of like ahead, or because their plan is bad. They fail because they stop too early. You fail because you stop too early. So the real goal is don't break that chain again once you start building it. Imagine where English could be, where your English could be in the next 90 days. If you just follow this simple plan every single day, more confident, more natural, and even more fluent at the same time. This isn't about a talent, it's about the direction, it's about creating systems out there, and it's about starting today, not just procrastination. And I believe that day one just began now, and yeah, don't wait for it to be perfect. Yeah, don't wait for perfect time, because 90 days from now you will get somewhere, and the only question is that will your English is still be the same or completely transformed? Now, this is all about it, and if you like what you saw today, you enjoyed today's video, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you have got any struggles about any topics, pronunciation, whether that's English language in general, please head on over on the comment section below, on the show notes, and let me know what is the topic, and I will try my best to make video about it, I promise.